guys, it's Friday, and to me that means Fertilizer Friday. You know, I get a lot of questions about fertilizer and what do the numbers mean? What's that NPK thing? So we're going to go through that with you today while I water my baskets. I water on Fridays because I can remember Fertilizer Friday, and I'm particularly watering my containers and hanging baskets because frankly there's not enough nutrition in the basket to support it to bloom all summer long, particularly with some of these annuals. Now, NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the three macro elements that you need for your plants. There are others, but those are the big three, and those are what are listed on packaging. Now, what does that mean? What do the numbers mean? On a package of fertilizer, NPK refers to the amount of each nutrient by weight in the package that you're buying. Whether it's powder or liquid, it's by weight. So that's what the numbers mean. So what do those nutrients do? Nitrogen is important for green and leafy development. Oftentimes you'll see this as a higher number, particularly for lawns where there's no flowers and it's not, the root system is important, but that's not what we're interested in. We want a green lawn. So the nitrogen is often higher in lawn fertilizer than in other types of fertilizer. I'm using a balanced fertilizer right now, 20-20-20. You can use whatever you like, but best fertilizer is usually the one you have on hand. There's not a huge need to run out and go buy some specialty fertilizer unless you want to. The P in NPK stands for phosphorus, and it's important for blossom and root development. So it's important for hanging baskets, it's important for vegetables. And the K in NPK is for potassium, and that's important for overall plant health. Helps with water uptake and cellular wall development. And I like to fertilize weekly, as in every week, and weekly, meaning I use a slightly diluted amount of fertilizer than recommended on packaging. Why? Because then there'll be no chance ever of burning my plants from too much fertilizer. Sustained, frequent nutrition. It's working on this planter. And fertilizing is particularly important for plants in containers and pots because there's only so much nutrition in the container, in the soil in the container. And a big healthy container like this, it needs extra nutrition because it'll drain what's in the soil naturally. And there's still quite a few days left for these things to grow. So weekly and weekly. That's the basics of fertilizer. If you have other questions, please leave them in the comments. If this was useful to you, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.